Let's have a look at how you can use different symbols for points in QGIS. I've got 100 random points on my screen, and I'm going to double click the points layer to open up the symbology. Make sure you're on the symbology tab, and by default you'll be on single symbol. So here you want to click simple marker. Now notice below simple marker the default symbol layer type is going to be simple marker. I'm going to change that to SVG marker. If I scroll down, I can see that I've got some SVG markers loaded by default. So I'll choose this one for it's a tube symbol in London. And it's quite small when I apply it, so I can scroll back up and I can change it to say size 15 and hit apply. So I'm applying that symbol to the point instead of the default simple marker, and I can change the size. I could also load one in from my computer if I click on the browse button. So let me choose airport, for example, click open and apply. So it's quite easy to do that. You can choose anything. The browse button, you can browse the internet, or you could paste in a link from the internet. If I want to do something different, instead of an SVG marker, I could choose a raster image marker. And there's lots of other choices there, but let's just look at raster image marker. And I'll click the browse button here to choose which marker to use. And I've browsed to a folder that's got a QGIS icon in it. So I'll click open and apply. And I can add transparency if I want to there. So let me move this out of the way a little bit. So that's how you can do it. By default, you're going to be on simple marker, but you could use any of these other options when you're styling points in QGIS. And this also applies to other kind of symbols like lines and polygons.